Hi guys, welcome back to another video of CUV, and today we are doing my first ever POV drive. So here it is, the car, Vauxhall Corsa 1.4 litre, just cleaned, as you can see. Either cleaned, did it all myself. Have a look at that exhaust, boys. That is beautiful. So we're gonna hop in before I get seen and make myself look like a plonker. Because I already look like one. Right, so basically, all we're doing today is we're going for a drive. I don't know if you can see me in the mirror. But yeah, so yeah, all we're doing today is we're going for a drive. It's 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock right now. So it's getting a little bit dark. It's like sunset. But that's fine. We like that. Nice scenery. So yeah, I went down the Spurs today. We lost, unfortunately. But that is how the cookie crumbles sometimes. You win some, you lose some. I swear they just make up signs. What the fuck is that yellow sign supposed to mean? Do you know what I mean though, boys? What on earth is that supposed to mean? That literally could mean anything. We're actually going over in this lane. POV drive for the first time. I drove a little bit out from where I'm situated, so you guys don't know my ends. 50 road down here, so that's what you like to see. But that doesn't mean go 50 as they used to be. It's not there anymore, but for like 6 months there was a Fiat Abrave that crashed right there. I think that, yeah, you can see the signs fucked. He must have honestly just smashed straight into that tree. Or it could have been stolen because they said police were notified and all that. So we reckon it was stolen, but yeah, nice cheeky little national speed limit though. I love going down here though, boys. It is a lot of fun. Feels like you're on an F1 track. Get out of the way, Crow. Ain't trying to smash into you, fella. Yeah, it does feel like you're on an F1 track. It's so much fun. Oh, but you got to take it slow on these corners though. We're not Lewis Hamilton. You can hit it down here though. And slow down again. So anyway, guys, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say really. It's the POV drive. Not much else to say, as I've said. Oh, and there's a train. Lovely to see.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Thank you, Waze. Appreciate it. We're going to be here for a long time, boys, so I'll cut when we're out. You know, I've never in my life been through this and there not be a train. Never. Well, there you go. Roads, but we're going to try and hit up some more back roads. Well, not try, we are. I mean, there's no one's going to stop us, realistically. And yeah, but honestly, I didn't realise how much fun I would have back, like, going through... Oh, look at that BM. Oh my! Boys, that is a new M3 Touring. Holy shit. You don't see them every day. That is my first ever M3 Touring I've ever seen. I do love an M3 and M4. They're my favourite cars, boys. So one day, on the channel, we're going to definitely have a cheeky M3. Oh, that is a pothole. Oh, it's nice. It's drained. I thought that was a pothole. 10 or 40. I thought it goes to a 60. Perhaps not. A little bit boring, 40s. To be honest, a little bit boring. We're going all the way back round. We're going to go the way we came, boys. Because the reason why I originally wanted to keep going, however, on that road where we were gonna be on, it is the it is honestly, oh fucking hell, Crow, get the fuck out of here. Not Zoom Crow. It is the most pothole road in the world. I went down there with my mate yesterday and I am so lucky I didn't pop a tyre. There's not fucking potholes, bro. They're craters. there's honestly craters. It's like a meteor's landed down there. I think it's because all the big trucks. Go back and see the M3 Touring. Oh, 30. That's fucking boring, though. Oh, boys, you know, I gotta stick to speed limits and all. I'm a black boxer. No, I'm not. I am not a black boxer. That's how that go out wrong. I am someone with a black box. I am not a black boxer. Alright, let's see this M3. Oh, it's not there anymore. What a shame. What a shame. Down there? Dunno. I don't know if you boys caught that. Gotta be respectful of the speed limits in towns, boys. I see a lot of people slamming it. I know I'm a black boxer, but I see a lot of people absolutely smashing speed limits and stuff that round towns like this. That is a piss take. I understand, you know. I mean, no, I do not condone going on speed limit at all. However, if you do, around towns and all that, where it is really hard, you know, where there's people around, it's just ridiculous. And, oh, actually, boys, let's see. Let's see if we go through it. And, of course not. There's always a train. Always a train. I've never not been here where hasn't been a train. In my life. There is, I swear, bro, they're after me. They are after me. There's always trains here. Should be hitting up the 60s now. Yes, we are. See the little national speed limit sign. But there's people in front of us. But we can at least smash it a little bit. Because it'd be rude not to. It would be rude not to. But it'd be rude too if there's a car on the opposite side. And I'm not that confident yet. Let's go now. Cold. Slow it down though. Don't want to turn like that abrupt I was talking about earlier. This is the abrupt corner, boys. We don't mess with this corner. Everyone who lives around here knows about the abrupt corner. So everyone plays it safe. Oh fuck. Pothole corner, that should be called as well. Ooh, potholes. Oh, honestly, boys, it's the worst thing ever, but let's hit it. Going onto a dual carriageway. Oh, I love it. I know I'm in a Corsa, boys. I know I'm going to be laughed at by a few of you with your BMWs, your Mercs, maybe a Lambo if you're lucky. I know I'm going to be laughed at, and I've been a 75 horsepower Corsa, but I absolutely love it. It's my boy, you know. It is my boy. And I hope you guys can understand that these are the best cars. Not the best cars, because there's better. But for me, this is my favourite car. No, because I've only ever owned one car. This is like the coolest thing ever. For me, this is the coolest thing ever. There you go. That's the best way to put it. You know, drive it fast. Like, even in the speed limit. Because this car is so, like, nimble and all that. Even in the speed limit, it's good fun. And slow down there. Right then. On that note, boys and girls, well, I turn this around because it's a dead end. That is the end of today's video. I did enjoy. When I was learning, well, when I didn't have a car and all that, I always liked these type of POVs, and especially when I was like buying a Corsa, I loved watching a POV of it. So I thought I would, well, you know, basically, I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. One more time. God, I feel like I'm in a race car. Fuck, you know, it's so much fun. Okay, guys, that actually is the end of today's video. Very good, you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, guys.